This will be the first series of designs that we will be doing. And hopefully, this design will come into fruition, as I have planned to make it in the future projects. But as of now, I can't due to constraints in the work area. And I am now overseas for work, and if I will be building this, I want it to be in my place. Hopefully, by God's grace, we can make that happen. So, let's do this. Firstly, as I have habitually done in many of my works, I create a folder first for easier filing. And we will name this project Workhorse. For this project, I'll be using CAD and SketchUp. And what I've mostly been doing in my works is to copy one of my previous files and just rename that. And now we will create a 2D sketch in CAD first, and after that we will import that later on in SketchUp. So what is a workhorse? Workhorse is sometimes called sawhorse by others, but I like it calling workhorse because there is a lot of things you can do to it besides sawing, like making it to a table for working on other things like sewing. I'll be making this project the size of 750 millimeters high and 1200 millimeters wide. Exactly the width size of one plywood. And all the materials we will be using is 2" by 3" wood. So let's get to it. So the workhorse design is finished. And if you want to have CAD and SketchUp model, please let me know and I will send it to you personally via email. Cheers and have a good week ahead. Till next time.